So hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this channel I would like to share to you guys about the water sport recreations called underwater scooter. Underwater scooter recreations on the islands of Serangan and Pasar offers interesting tourist attractions by providing the sensations of driving with a scooter below sea level. You will feel the sensations of traveling by driving a scooter vehicle under the seawater. Of course, this will provide a new, unique and interesting holiday experience. This recreation is provided by an aquastar provider who is experienced in underwater tourism. Participating in these recreations, you can still use various accessories that adorn to your head, because your head is tightly closed so the water cannot enter. When doing the recreation, you take a special underwater vehicle, and on the scooter there is also an oxygen cylinder that will be used by the player for breathing. The depth limit of these attractions is only at 4 meters. This is done to avoid the scooter motorbike from hitting the underwater reef. To ensure safety and comfort, in each dive is followed or accompanied also by a guide or a diver. With a depth of 4 meters is a safe zone for motorists without the consequence of decompression. The vehicle is associated with a float on the surface, so it is not possible to dive deeper. You can enjoy this walk below sea level for 25 minutes. While under the sea, you will feel how close it is to underwater fish that seem to be very friendly to you. For the price to enter this water sport recreations is for adults is 550,000 rupiah and for the child is 500,000 rupiah. This water sport recreations might not be cheap, but this is like worth it for you guys to try. So yeah, that's all about my video. Thank you for watching.